What's up, fellas? How are we all doing tonight? Let me know in the comments who we got, who we're hoping to pull tonight. So this is night 3 of these breaks for me. I do have another break again tomorrow night. No, everyone paid and everyone paid quick, so thank you all for that. I did a 3 cello box on Sunday night and a 2 last night, and then I have a 2 tonight, and I also have a 2 tomorrow night. And so if you guys want in on more, I'll be doing one more this week before Christmas, tomorrow night. So 5 boxes in, Spurs, all right. 5 boxes in, no Genesis yet, so hopefully tonight we can hit one. Tatum's. Okay. Usually people want Pritchard's. Want those rookie cards, but Zion, all right. I pulled some nice Zions last night. I pulled a pink camo, and I pulled a silver Mosaic Zion last night. So yeah, guys, we got a 2 cello box break. There'll be 24 packs, 72 pinks. I'm all caught up on shipping. Everything's been shipped out. Cole Anthony, all right. What have I pulled in Cole Anthony? Nothing too crazy, I don't think. Yeah, I'm all caught up on shipping, so tomorrow I'll have this shipped out. Yeah, on Sunday night on the 3 cello box, I pulled a green prism base LaMelo and a pink camo base LaMelo and a, what was the other one? I think a green prism National Pride. Jayshawn Tate, all right. I've pulled some Jayshawn Tates too. But yeah, no autos yet and no Genesis. So I will do a review at the end of all the hits. I will also put the replay up of this break right after. It'll be pretty much instantly on this Instagram page, and then also it'll be up on my YouTube page if you guys miss anything and want to catch up. Cavs, all right. Patrick Williams. Pulled some Patrick Williams last night. I pulled some color Patrick Williams last night. Yep, this is the one I just sent it on eBay. I'm only doing one tonight, so yep. One tonight, one tomorrow night, same time, same place. So if you guys want in on more action right before Christmas, I will be doing another one tomorrow night. So we'll open up the 6 base packs first, and we'll do some pink camos. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck, everybody. So if you guys haven't seen any of these breaks yet, the first few are base cards, and then we hit some rookies in color. All right, good luck, guys. Brook Lopez, Buddy Hield, Miles Turner, Cam Johnson, Caruso, and Victor Oladipo. Our first rookie of the night is Jameis Ramsey. Got a Denny debut. And an Azubuike. Our first green is Gordon Hayward, Hornets. Elevate Sabonis. And our first silver prism. I have not hit too many of these. Eric Bledsoe. I have not hit a big hit in a silver prism yet, unfortunately. All right, Malcolm Brogdon. Danny Green. There's a Ja base. Bogdanovich. Yellow. Shea. There's a Maxey debut. There's a Pritchard base. Steph National Pride. Steph had a really good night last night. Darren Fox green. Russ. And a silver Nicholas Batum. So we're 0 for 2 on the silvers. Just waiting to see that Genesis color somewhere. Siakam, PJ Washington, Jeff Teague, Ayton, Lowry, and Serge Ibaka. There's a Quickly debut. Reggie Perry, Russ National Pride, a green KG, Hall of Fame Tracy McGrady, and a Dennis Rodman silver Hall of Fame. Huh, 3 packs in, nothing too crazy yet. Although we're saving those pink camos. Looks like a silver Mosaic in this one. Thaddeus Young, Davis Bertans, RJ, Jeremy Grant, Harden, Tim Hardaway. There's an OB base rookie. Tony Parker. There's a Precious base. Come on, rookie. Nope. Bradley Beal, silver Mosaic. Zach LaVine Elevate, and a Will to Win Giannis. Nothing too special so far. Seth Curry, Draymond, Dante DiVincenzo. There's a Rui, Gallinari, and a Holmes. There's a Wiseman base. Steve Nash. Kira Lewis base. Tyus Jones green prism. Bang Dame. And a Akeem Olajuwon green Hall of Fame. Man, nothing in color yet. That's great. 5 packs in. I get to pull a numbered card either. All right, Aaron Gordon, Lonnie Walker, Dragic, Jimmy Buckets, Bogdanovich, and Will Barton. There's a Maxey National Pride. Durant MVPs going to the Warriors. There's a Cole Anthony debut. Ooh, there we go. Green LeBron MVP Finals. There's another LeBron Will to Win. And a Bang Kawhi. Couple nice LeBrons there. That was a good pack. All right, let's do some pink camos. So the first 2 pink camo cards in the 3-pack will be base cards, and then we'll either get a rookie or MVP. So we're hoping for rookies in the 3rd one. Lonzo Ball, Malik Beasley, there it is, a rookie. RJ Hampton base rookie card. Decent start. Pack 2, we got Dame, Gallinari, another rookie. There's a nice Maxey. There we go. Maxey base, pink camo. Nice hit for the Philly. Oh, missed it by 1. That sucks. TJ Warren, Luke Kennard, and a Lamar Stevens. Man, you must have been... It takes me a while before I get the order down on print runs. You must have been watching a lot of breaks already. Trae Young, Holmes, there's an Akeem, pink. 2 nice Akeems for you now. Caldwell Pope, Darius Baisley, and hey, here we go. Anthony Edwards, National Pride, pink. Nice, Anthony Edwards. Paul George, DeAndre Ayton is a rookie. Killian Hayes, base pink. All right, that's halfway down box 1. Let's hope we get some better cards in the base packs here. Base packs are kind of duds. Pinks were decent. You guys watch the football games tonight on a Tuesday night? I don't know if I liked it. They were kind of both boring-ish games, but I don't know if I liked it. I don't need to watch football every night. All right. All right, here we go. Come on, base packs. Be better than the last one. All right, Fultz, Okogie, Beal, Ingram, Anthony Davis, and Kyrie. Shaq MVP. There's a Patrick Williams debut. Jordan Nora, base. Jaren Jackson, green. Elevate Christian Wood. Ooh, there we go. Anthony Edwards, green, Elevate. Haven't pulled that card yet. It's a nice hit. Doesn't say RC on the front. That's kind of a bummer. Huh. National Pride cards don't say it either. I don't like that. All right. Nicholas Batum, Russ, Nurkic, Kawhi, Capella, Rudy Gay. Gary Payton. No Lucas yet. Nope. Nico Mannion. There's a Hallie, National Pride. Silver Mosaic, Tim Hardaway. Will to win, Anthony Davis. And a Tracy McGrady, Jam Masters. Zach LaVine, Isaiah Roby, there's a LeBron base, Kelly Oubre, Jay Crowder, Josh Jackson. Sadiq Bey base, National Pride Durant, there's a Hallie base. There we go, Silver Mosaic debut, Maxey. It's the best Silver Mosaic I've hit so far. Elevate Big Cat, and a Will to Win of Buckets. Wish that Maxey would be a base, but still, Maxey's had a good night so far. Nice, Maxey. All right, Joe Brown, Kobe White, Nance, Trey Burke, Gordon Hayward, Joe Harris, Trey Jones, Anthony Edwards, National Pride, Lamar Stevens. Man, we need to hit some green rookies here. Jamal Murray green, Dwayne Wade Bang, And a Durant green, a will to win. I think Hobby. These ones have Genesis in them, which is the case hit, I believe. Mobamba, Karis LeVert, Shamet, Kevin Love, Brandon Ingram, Darren Fox, Paul Pierce, all-time greats, Isaiah Stu, Sadiq Bey debut, Joe Harris green, Dominique, and a Ben Simmons silver mosaic elevate. Yeah, stained glasses hobby. All right, last base pack of box one. Chris Paul, Hunter, Joe Ingles, Drew Holiday, Reggie Bullock, Bam Bam. Chuck. There's a Jay-Sean Tate. There's a little mellow finally, just the debut. Oh, green rookie finally. Devin Vassell green. Hollow Magic and a silver, oh, there you go. Silver Jason Tatum. National Pride. Boston. Last pack ended well. Hopefully we can keep that going in box two. Really, any Genesis right now would be sick. There's 6 boxes. 6 boxes I've done, no Genesis yet. All right, Aaron Gordon. Diallo. There we go. Anthony Edwards, pink camo debut. Anthony Edwards having a great night. Up to like 4 or 5 Anthony Edwards already. No base Anthony Edwards, but a lot of the other stuff. Tyler Hero, Caruso, and a Compazzo. Derek White, Victor Oladipo, Kira Lewis, debut. Lonnie Walker, Shea. There's a Quickly. Base. Doing well on the pinks. Dragic, Rui, and a LeBron National Pride. And the last of, no Oakland's yet. Last of box one here. We got Joker, Kawhi, and a CJ Ellaby. All right. That was it for box one. Let's hope for more hits here. Does it have all the types? Yeah, here we go. I don't know if you guys can see these. I'm just going to read them quick. Yeah, there's Genesis. Yeah. Fluorescent, too. Haven't pulled any of those. Feel it. Yeah, no kidding. Let's pull it up. All right, TJ Warren. I'll just do this box one at a time here. Giannis, Lonzo, Jay Crowder, Josh Jackson, K-Love, Vince Carter, Jalen Smith. There's a little melon. There we go. Starting off well for you. Green Bledsoe. I think we pulled that last box. Dominique. What do we got for silver? Derrick Rose. Non-rookie. All right, pink pack number 1. Miles Turner. Josh Richardson is a rookie. Reggie Perry. So I have all the pink rookies in the review pile, even like not so great ones like Perry. Come on, I want to see a color other than green. Nope. Mobamba, Karis LeVert, Shamet, Capella, Rudy Gay, Brandon Ingram. There's another base Hallie. Paul Pierce, Isaiah Stu, green Kevin Knox, Will to Win Ja, and a silver Zach LaVine. Pink pack 2. Roby, D'Lo, and a Charles Barkley. Yeah, this is box 2. I will do a review at the end, otherwise the replay will be up right after the break's done if you want to watch anything you missed. There's a Zion finally. Zion base. Durant, Caldwell Pope, Bullock. Nothing too crazy, I don't think. Bam Bam, Kelly Oubre, Lamar Stevens. There's an Okoro finally, debut. An RJ Hampton base. Man, we're just not hitting the green rookies. AI, Jaylen Brown. There we go. Silver Mosaic, Jam Masters, Giannis. Jeff Teague, Jarrett Culver, and a Steve Nash, all-time greats. Troy Brown, Kobe, Nance, Davis, Kyrie, Drew Holiday, Sadiq Bey debut, Trey Jones, Anthony Edwards, National Pride, green Brooke Lopez, Spud Webb Jam Masters, and a LeBron Will to Win green Prism. Got some nice LeBrons. Color. Brooke Lopez, DeRozan, and a Kira Lewis. Zach LaVine, Isaiah Roby, LeBron, Caruso, Oladipo, Kawhi. There's a LaMelo debut. Sadiq Bey, Durant, National Pride. Come on, Silver Mosaic. Landry Shamet, Duncan, and a Derek Jones. Dang, cannot hit anything huge on Silver Mosaics. Although we hit a Maxi, right? I think we hit a Maxi. Take that back. There we go. LeBron base. Man, LeBron's having a great night. Middleton and a Jayshawn Tate. Rockets, you've done pretty well. Chris Paul, DeAndre Hunter, Joe Ingles, Kyle Lowry, Serge Ibaka, Cam Johnson, Jordan Nora, Chuck, Jayshawn Tate. There's a rookie finally. Rookie green. Jaden McDaniels. Jam Masters Blake Griffin. And there's finally Luka Bang. Mobamba, Eric Gordon. Yeah, debut. LaMelo, there you go. You've already hit 3 LaMelos. Yeah. Yeah, I got 10 out of 20. 10 out of the 20 of the case that a guy had. Wish that would have been a base LaMelo, but debut. Valanciunas, JJ Redick, Rozier, Trey Burke, Darren Fox, Gordon Hayward, Kawhi MVPs. There's a Wiseman debut. There's a Maladin. Serge Ibaka Silver Mosaic. There's a Ja Elevate. And a Will to Win of Dame. Man, a card I don't think I pulled a Steph tonight. I don't know if it was last night or the night before, man. I was hitting Steph everything. Karis LeVert, Tristan Thompson, and a Sadiq Bey. So like I said, guys, I will get this shipped out. I'll probably actually package it all up tonight. Pretty much right after this break is done. I hang out with the wife for a little bit. And then I will probably sort this out and package it all up, and I'll have it shipped to the post office tomorrow morning. Lonnie Walker, Dragic, Dame, Marjanovic, Horton Tucker, and Lou Williams. Hakeem the Dream, Killian Hayes, Jalen Smith debut. Come on, Silver Mosaic. It is a rookie. Wish it would have been Hallie. Ramsey, Silver Mosaic. The Admiral, and an Anthony Davis Elevate. LaMelo only had 1 in box 1, but you can hit a couple. There we go. There's a Zion pink camo for you. Bridges, and Sadiq Bey. Debut. Nice Zion. We got left. 4 packs left. Devin Booker, Bridges, Lopez, Joe Harris, Payne, Jared Allen, Larry Bird, Xavier Tillman, another Anthony Edwards. That's not a base card. Anthony Edwards debut. Buddy Hield green, Vince Carter, and a Giannis Jam Masters green. I think we've already got that in silver, so. Got that in both now. Joe Ingles, Fournier, Patrick Williams. Yeah, we do need stuff. Dinwiddie, Donovan Mitchell, Aaron Gordon, Jaylen Brown, Aaron Baines, and Drummond. Quickly base, LeBron National Pride. There's another Maxi base. Josh Green, green. Bang, Derek Fisher. Ooh, we have a rookie silver. Let's go. Ooh, there we go. Obi, silver. Nice. It's probably the best silver I've hit so far. That was a good pack. Zach LaVine, Jacob Podol, Jordan Nora. All right, we got a Trae Young, Paul George, Wendell Carter, Antetokounmpo, Mike Conley, Aldridge, Vernon Carey, Chris Paul National Pride, Campazzo base, green Norman Powell, Will to Win Jamal Murray, and a Kawhi silver Mosaic bang. There's a Durant, Dennis Schroeder, and a Trey Jones. Last box. Like I said, guys, same break I'm doing again tomorrow night. 2 Cello boxes. This is the end of it. End of my Cello boxes until after Christmas. I'll probably, well, by that point, hopefully hangers and blasters and megas will be out, so I'll be doing a lot of those. I'll be doing a lot of Mosaic. Demboya, there's a Luka for you, finally. Tyler Hero, Daniel Theis, Devontae Graham, Zach Collins, Kira Lewis debut. Scratch right down the middle on that. I don't know if that can come out. Yeah, it comes out. Looks like it's just glue. CJ Ellaby, Tim Duncan. Come on, green. Let's end on a good green note. Miles Turner. Zach LaVine. Now we hit a green Kawhi Bang. Just hit the silver a couple packs ago. And the end here. We have a Kobe White, Tobias Harris, ending with a Paul Pierce. All right, review time. Stick around. I'll maybe give away some cards here. All right, we have a Luka Kawhi Bang Green, Trey Jones Pink, Kawhi Bang Silver, Jordan Noah Pink, LeBron Pride, Josh Green Green, Patrick Williams Pink, Giannis Green Green Jam Masters, Sadiq Bey Pink Debut, Jameis Ramsey Silver Mosaic, Sadiq Bey Pink, Wiseman Debut, Ja Elevate, Jada McDaniels Pink Green. We had the Luka Bang, Jayshawn Tate Pink, Kira Lewis Pink. There's that Jam Masters Silver, Giannis. Hallie Base, Morant Will to Win, Reggie Perry, Ellaby, Quickly, Kira Lewis, and Campazzo. Devin Vassell Green. We had the Tatum Silver, National Pride. Durant Green Will to Win, Hallie Pride, Killian Hayes, Stevens, and RJ Hampton. Maxi Pride, Cole Anthony Debut, LeBron Will to Win, Wiseman Base, Obi Base, Quickly Debut, Maxi Debut. There's some other hits I probably didn't put in the review pile. Some bigger hits, we had a Maxi Base rookie card. We had an Obi Silver Prism Base. Edwards Debut, Zion Pink, LaMelo Pink Debut, LeBron Pink. We had a LaMelo Debut, Anthony Edwards Pride, LeBron Green Will to Win, LaMelo Pride, LeBron Pink Pride, Edwards Pink Debut, LaMelo Debut, Edwards Pride, Alley Base, Maxi Silver Mosaic Debut. We have the Anthony Edwards Elevate Green, Edwards Pink Pride, Maxi Base Pink, and the LeBron Green. Man, LeBron had a great night. Anthony Edwards, pretty good night as well. Let's see what I got. We didn't have that good of a night. Do I have anything decent here? Throw on this Desmond Bane for Memphis. Base card. What else do I got? Well, I don't have any more LaMelos. I don't have any LaMelos in my personal. I'll throw in, let's see, what do I got? Durant, MVP is going to the Warriors. I'll throw that one in. I'll throw in this Tatum, Pink Pride, going to the Celtics. Cole Anthony didn't have a good night. I'll throw in this Hollow Shaq, going to the Magic. Spurs, I have this, I'll throw in. Devin Vassell, Debut Pink. There's an Okoro base I'll throw in for you. Cavs. Oh, you were in the chat, didn't really get too much. What else do I got? Thought I had a Steph, but I guess I don't. Thunder? I don't know if I have anything in Thunder. Yeah, Hornets. I mean, other than LaMelo LaMelo. There's really nothing else, and I don't have any LaMelos. I had a base and I sold it. Actually, I opened up one Cello box for myself. I pulled a green debut, but I sold it. What do I got? Do I have anything in Thunder? I don't think I do. I guess I got this. This is the only thing I really got. Poku Thunder. I don't have any Kmart. Wizards? Oh, I don't think... Oh, I do have a Wizard somewhere. Denny debut. Pink, I'll throw in. It wasn't a green base, it was a green debut. I think it sold for 70. It really hurts that it's a debut. That's why that pink debut you pulled, it sucks that it's a debut. If it was a base, it'd go for double the price. I did a 24-hour auction because I got my hands on these before pretty much anybody else. So when I put I broke one box for myself and I put a few up. That green LaMelo was the best card I pulled out of the box. I kind of got a crappy box. Who else is asking for something? Houston, Kmart, Wizards. Oh, I gave you that, Denny. Yeah, tomorrow night, same time, guys. If I had a stuff, I'd give you a stuff, but I don't have one. I don't know, I'm going through what I pulled out of my other box. There isn't really too much, I guess. With guys that haven't pulled anything yet. Or guys that didn't get it much. Yeah, that's about it. Guess Jazz. I'll throw in this Azubuike green or pink. That's about it, guys. I don't really think that's about yeah. That's all I got. I know Hornets, sorry I don't have another LaMelo for you or anything. I don't even have like a Vernon Carrier in color or anything like that. Yeah, you got 4. Usually on average, I'd say you get 2, probably get 2 LaMelos on average. So it's not awful. You got 4, you pretty much got the average. Got 1 in color. Oh, wait, here we go. I thought I had this card. I have a stuffed base. I've been looking for, I thought I had one. There you go. Actually, I might have more. I have another pile. I think these are ones I already have up on eBay, though. No, I guess not. Yeah, you don't even want that. Yeah, alright, that's it. Alright, guys, I appreciate you guys. Hopefully I see you back tomorrow night. The replay will be put up right now. Have a good night, guys.